Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to enable Bard for Google Workspace and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you to the process. So let's just get started. So for that, what you can do is you can go to Google Workspace Administrators, which is admin.google.com in one of your browser. And once you are headed over here, you can log in into your account if you're not logged in, and once you are logged in, you will be finding this section right here. So what you need to do is you need to go over to the apps option here from your left hand sidebar. You can find different options available, dashboard, directory, devices, etc. Select the option of apps and select it up. And once you select it up, you need to go over to the option called additional Google services. So head over there, and once you find it up, you need to scroll down and select the early access apps from here. So here in this section, you can go over here, and once you are here, you can set the service status to on for everyone and save a few changes. So just go over and select this early access apps from the given list and select this option of on for everyone. So if it is turned off, you can select it up and select the option of turn on for everyone. It will turn on V. And once you do so, you can see about the changes and set this up. And you can just go ahead and after a few hours, you can wait for the changes to apply, like to take the effect. So you can just go ahead and follow up that process. Like this, you can select the service status and turn it on for everyone. Once you confirm it up, you can save up the changes. And that way, the bar.google.com will be open up on your screen. And once it opens up, you can just go ahead and perform a bunch of tasks like summarizing emails in Gmail, so documents in Docs and Drive, drafting emails in Gmail, answering questions about the content within your files, creating formulas, and generating insights from the data in Google Sheets. And that's it. So therefore, if you want to enable Bard for Google Workspace as well, you may head over and follow up these steps. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.